In this video, I'm going to show you a free AI image generator that you should definitely check out. Now, everything that you're seeing on screen right now has been made with this AI image generator, and I'm going to share with you what the website is. I'm going to show you how you can use it and how you can get started generating AI images. Now, I've been very impressed with the results. You can see them on screen. So let's check out the website and let's get started. So the website is called imagineanything.ai, and I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can click on it and you can check it out. Now, if you scroll down straight away on the homepage, you're going to see all of these different designs which are being generated in real time. Now, as we scroll down, we can see the different user designs, and if you click on them, you can actually see the prompts that people are using, and you can also download other people's images as well. So we've got a lot of different stuff here. We've got ultra realistic. You can see here someone's trying to get a very specific outcome as they're generating different images with different prompts. We've got some cyberpunk stuff. We've got some like very nice artistic living room stuff. And there are a bunch of different prompts and images that you can check out. Not only can you check out other people's images, you can also generate your own. So what you need to do is go to sign in/sign up. Here you can then log in and register with a Google account. Now, once you've signed up successfully, every month you're going to have 10 generations and 10 downloads, and we can now go ahead and start generating images. So now we'll click on generate images in the top right hand corner. And now what we can do is we can enter in our prompt here. Now, by default, it will be using the Flux model, and I would leave it on that if you're a beginner and you're new to generating with AI. You're going to get good results from that model. So type in your prompt. This is what I've gone with. I haven't generated this image before, so we're going to do it live on video and see what results we can get. I've put a serene image of calm waters, cove between two mountains, sun setting in the background, birds flying, HD, ultra realistic, beautiful. We can also refine that prompt with AI, but I'm just going to click generate and see what it can give me. So here is that image. This is the first try, and look how beautiful and how great that image looks. We can go ahead and click on the edit tool, and what you can do is you can resize this. So if you click resize, you can resize it to wide, tall, or square. I'm just going to keep the square version. We can then go ahead and download this in the top right hand corner, and here is our image. We can then right click, save image as, and we can then save it to the download. So here is that image we've just generated. It is super realistic. It has generated exactly what we wanted, and that's how you use it. Now, if you want to go back to your generated images at any point, you click on your username, you then click on your name again, and you'll see all of your generated images, which you can download. If you want to upgrade and get more generations, you can go to pricing. And if you go to pricing here, just for $9.99 per month, you can download unlimited images and generate unlimited images. You can also rewrite the prompts, and you can cancel at any time. Or you can go with the deluxe version, which has everything that premium has, but it also has the ability to choose different aspect ratios. And again, you can cancel at any time. So that has been Imagine Anything AI. Go and click on the link in the description and try it for yourself.